Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is November 20th, 2025, and we're diving into Copart's first quarter fiscal 2026 earnings report. Copart, a leader in online vehicle auctions, has just released its financial results. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Copart's performance this quarter is quite intriguing, and I'm excited to break it down for our viewers.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Copart reported a revenue of $1.16 billion for the first quarter of fiscal 2026, which is a 0.7% increase from last year. John, can you elaborate on this performance?
Absolutely. The revenue growth, although modest, is complemented by a significant increase in gross profit, which rose by 4.9% to $537.0 million. This indicates that Copart is not only growing its sales, but also improving its profitability through better cost management and operational efficiencies.
And what about the net income and earnings per share?
Copart's net income surged by 11.5% to $403.7 million, and the earnings per share came in at 41 cents, beating the analyst forecast of 40s. This reflects a strong bottom-line performance, driven by both revenue growth and margin expansion.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has Copart managed to enhance its operating income this quarter?
Copart's operating income increased by 6% to $430.7 million, largely due to a reduction in operating expenses, which fell by 2.2%. This was achieved through cost-cutting measures in facility operations and a strategic focus on high-margin services.
And what about their cash flow and future outlook?
Copart generated a robust cash flow of $535.3 million from operating activities, which positions them well for future investments and growth. The company is likely to continue focusing on expanding its global footprint and enhancing its auction technology, which should support sustained growth.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did Copart's U.S. and international operations fare this quarter?
In the U.S., Copart generated $952.6 million in revenue, while international operations contributed $202.4 million. Both segments showed growth, with vehicle sales increasing by 1.7% and service revenues by 0.6%. This balanced growth across regions highlights Copart's strong market position and strategic execution.
What strategic initiatives are they focusing on to drive future growth?
Copart is investing in expanding its global auction platform and enhancing its technology to improve user experience and operational efficiency. These initiatives are expected to drive long-term growth and strengthen their competitive edge in the online vehicle auction market.